so today we're actually taking the R8 to about, I think, 5 car events today. Started out with going to Cars and Coffee Chandler with my buddy Andrew and his Pro 2 drift car. Then we're gonna have, right after that, swing over to Scottsdale, go to Cars and Canines, which is like a dog adoption supercar event. And then later in the day, JR Garage is holding his 1 million subscriber meetup. And then probably swing over to a classic German auto show. And then finish that off by going to the local Saturday night Pavilions car show. So it's gonna be a pretty eventful day. I'll try to record what I can, show you some cool cars, because there definitely is gonna be some rare cool cars there, so. I don't have a car. Oh, let me close this door. Okay, he started. Mr. Schulte battled Adam LZ like 6 times.
S13, he's from Arizona, and yeah, I'm interested to see.
Here we go, Adam LZ, Andrew Schulte. LZ, who qualified 5th, Schulte qualifying 12th. Adam LZ, that's his number as well, gets out to that outside zone.
It was just once, right? Sound what my M3 should have sounded like, sort of, not really. Because that was like a $2 engine compared to this. Okay, that thing is really, really, really loud. I can't even hear my car start right now. I just started my car and I can't hear it. Hey, buddy. This car is so quiet. I can't even hear my car. I wish I had a car.
Okay, you're alright. I promise. I'm sorry.
That's not, I don't think that's regular gas. It doesn't smell like it. It might be race gas, but no, I don't think so, because race gas is like way too much money nowadays.
So obnoxious.
Yeah, look at that dude on the moped. That's who I strive to be in life. Their Halloween themed event, because it's October. Thank you. If he sniffs him, then he stops doing it.
Take this. Is he good with other dogs?
He might be.
Gentle. He's little. He's not like a brother. Alright, we have a pit little mixed thing at home.
Oh, you have a thing.
About her size. I don't know what she is. She's a rescue. But, you know, she.
That's why I want the little ball, because the Gallardo comes stock with a little ball. And I feel like it'll feel nicer until the sun, well, it's pure aluminum, so the sun is gonna heat it up a lot. But
Yoshi, calm down.
where's he going? Where's he going? Oh, he sees that dog. Look how small that dog is. It's really old.
Oh, it's old.
Just as you. So guys, I wasn't really actually planning to record here because I don't know. Since I'm not finishing my R8 anytime soon, we're actually currently closing on a house. We made an offer and we're successful. Sorry, I'm just gonna interrupt, but look at this. There's an E30 M3 in the lot, in the spectator lot. That's how you know this is a good show. But wasn't gonna plan to record, you know, I've been trying to get out more, just ignore working on the R8 because I can't do it yet because of money and stuff like that. Point being is try to get out and go to these shows whether I think I like it or not. And this is a 1985 and older German car show. And I went and my God, quality of cars. I don't know how much you guys like this, but Porsches are absolutely my favorite. Hopefully an end goal one day that's gonna be the car for me. So I'm just gonna record this. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. There's some really rare stuff. There's even a 996 GT3 car that raced in a 24-hour Rolex or 12-hour, whatever that endurance series is.
You're a hideous thing inside. of them were a lucky comments. You, I'm your stranger, another way to get to know you. You'll never know unless we go, so let me show you. I'm no stranger, another way to get to know you. We got to move, here comes the moon, so let it show you now.
Well, we're back to this German classic. Oh yeah. So guys, that show was awesome. That one up the Cars and Coffee in the morning hard. Cause damn. I mean, that is if you like those Porsches and stuff. Like I said, I'm a really big air-cooled Porsche dude. I just really like it. Could have bought one instead of the R8, but I'm just kind of saving that until I'm a little bit more mature, have more developed, I don't know, just have like actual property to store it and properly maintain it and stuff, you know. But anyways, I think I'm gonna head out to the JR Garage Meet, just check it out, see how that goes, and then maybe Pavilions, I don't know. I've been crossing out shows as I go, but I've driven a lot today already. I've, in case you guys don't know, I already hit 31,000 miles on the R8 this morning. Pretty wild. 31,000 miles. I drove like 200 miles today alone, and then I got this car with like 27,800 miles. So I literally, when I said if I'm not selling it, I'm gonna throw miles on it, I really meant it, because yeah, it's an awesome car. You know, of course, it's probably the shittiest R8 in the area that drives and runs and drives. But goddamn, that car moved. Now there's sun in my face. But you know, I'm plotting to do some serious stuff to this car. It's just, you know, like I said, I'm in the middle of buying a house currently. that has a really big backyard, and then after that we're gonna have to loan money, you know, to build a giant shop in the yard and mortgage that. So yeah, I don't really want to focus on the R8 right now. I mean, I would love to, you know, just trying to take care of responsibilities and everything. Anyways, enough of me talking. Let's head out to this JR garage, meet in my little R8. What's up, man? Hey, what's up, man?
Sweet.
Yeah, shit is alright.
Annual.
Yeah.
What's up? How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
So how far is the drive? Where'd you come from again?
Far. I mean, I stopped at there in Paradise Valley. There's a classic German show going on. I figured it'd be a shit ton of Porsches, and it was really nice fucking cars.
Cool.
But
Sweet.
yeah, they're
I like it.
Paradise Valley is nice. I've never been there before.
Oh, it's crazy.
Beverly Hills.